Today I'm going to show you how I make my own version of our special arroz caldo. So this Filipino-style rice congee is so delicious, it's so easy to make, so let's get to it. So first I'm going to boil some eggs. And then I have here 1.5 tablespoon of our safflower. This has a very mild flavor and it will add color to our arroz caldo. Then we're gonna chop up some fresh ginger. Then we need some minced garlic. And then I have here medium-sized onions. Ikakat lang natin into a small dice. So let's prepare our chicken. I will be using thighs, but it's up to you. If you want to use any part of the chicken, it's fine. Then I remove the skin and I cut it into a small pieces. Wash and drain lang natin na ating chicken and then set aside. Mag-start tayo mag-init na mantika and then isosaute na natin ating ginger, minced garlic, and ang ating onions. Pwedeng-pwede nyo liitan yung cut nyo ng inyong ginger. Kaya lang kasi si Mr. ko, ayaw niya nung medyo nakakagat niya yung ginger. Kaya nilakihan ko na. Once ready na ang ating aromatics, maaari na nating ilagay ang ating mga chicken. Maglalagay na rin tayo ng ating mga pampalasa. Meron tayong fish sauce, salt, and ground black pepper. So, adjust nyo lang yan according sa inyong panlasa. And then, maglalagay din tayo ng garlic powder. So while we're cooking our chicken, i-prepare na natin yung ating rice. I will be using 1 cup of glutinous rice or yung ating malagkit na bigas. And hinahaluan ko siya ng half cup na long grain rice or kahit anong plain rice na meron kayo dyan sa bahay. So rinse lang natin yung ating rice and after that, I will be adding around 6 cups of water. And yes, tama po ang inyong nakikita. Ito po yung method na ginagawa ko. I always cook the rice separately sa chicken. So let's go back and check our chicken. Maglalagay lang tayo ng 1 chicken bouillon. And ilalagay na rin natin yung ating safflower. And then mix lang natin to dissolve our bouillon. Our chicken is almost done. So check naman natin ang ating rice. To add flavor to the rice, what I'm gonna do is I will add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce and 1 tablespoon of safflower. And then stir lang nating mabuti. Huwag daw siya pakita. Ayan, namimitas naman kami ng kalamansi. Ang taas kasi.
Basta kasi yung dami sa taas.
Nakukuha.
That's good.
Tingnan isa-isa.
Okay, kasi naman yung pipilitin mabali ba?
Madami din kami nakuha.
Lalaki niya, oh.
So as you can see, the rice is ready. Perfect na rin ang consistency niya. So we can add it to our chicken. Make sure that you mix it well, and then we're still gonna cook it for another 30 minutes just to make sure that the rice will absorb the flavor of the chicken. Mas nagiging fine yung texture ng rice kapag hinahalo natin siyang ganito. At syempre, para lalo maging special ang ating arroz caldo, magpipirito na rin tayo ng tokwa or ang ating tofu. So ready to serve ng ating arroz caldo. At syempre pa, alam nyo na kung paano iserve ang ating arroz caldo. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye for now!